Hello, welcome back to CAPSIM CompXM 2023. After CAPSIM CapStone 8 rounds, you have CompXM as individual exam with 4 rounds. This strategy we applied 6 products. So we add 2 new products right from round 1. So we are having the top sale and profit from round 2, 3, and 4 to lead the game with top results. So you just keep update the product in R&D, update the product, increase performance and size. You can use the Excel file again. You can download and use the Excel file to calculate R&D faster based on your game industry condition report. CompXM is different from student to student, so you need to download the industry condition report from your game to update the Excel file with the number of your CompXM, right? Do not just copy the number on the screen, but the way you do is the same, but the details of the number are different. You need to get the number from your industry condition report of your game. And now for the marketing, we can use the same number, it's okay. For the marketing, we reduce the price by 50 cents each round to maintain the price of most competitiveness, and also we update the promotion and sale budget to 2,000 to sell best for all the 6 products, right? And the most important in marketing, so we calculate the sale forecast to see the number we are going to sell. So the demand for this round, we use the number from the career report. We check the career report to find out the number of unit result from last round, and then we increase that with the segment growth, and you get the sale focus. Again, you can use Excel file to calculate that faster for each round, the sale focus faster for each round. So for the marketing, we back to the screen and input the number of sale focus we have calculated. We can add about 5% to keep some inventory, to reserve some inventory to avoid being stocked out, right? Being stocked out. For the new products, now you can use the same as the existing product because the new product started selling very well, even a little bit better than the existing product, but equally the same, basically the same. So we can double the sale and profit in the nano and elite segment, and with that we can increase the profit a lot, much higher than all the other competitors, right? And for the production, we also use the sale focus and deduct inventory you see on the screen, and put that in the production screen with the production schedule for all the 6 products. Again, you can add 5% to avoid being stocked out. And in production, remember to increase capacities and also increase automation to get better lower cost and better qualities. We increase the automation of the trip to 10 and core to 8, and the other nano and elite we increase automation to 6. We can check to make sure that we have enough capacity. 150% is the most cost effective, so we don't have to increase the capacity in round 3. For HR, we keep that 5,000 for recruitment and 80 hours for training. For finance, we pay some nominal dividend. Next round we will pay a lot of dividend, maybe $5 or $10, but this round we pay just some small number for nominal dividend per share. Also we can issue stock and use some long-term loans to secure that we get around 60,000, 50,000 of cash in hand to avoid emergency loans in any case. That's the best and safe decision. And also for TQM, again we use 1,000 for all the 10 of each of the 10 TQM initiative to get better qualities and reduce the cost, increase the demand, as that's all we use for all the 10 TQM initiatives. And for you see that we get very good sales and nearly 48 or 50% of contribution margin. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. If you need the support, you can send the emails, or you can arrange 1 hour for Zoom session to get the explanation for all the decision of each round. Again, thank you for watching. Good luck and success.